Virgin Mary. Who's that lady? You want to see her in the flesh? I'm that. You want to see her in the flesh? And shit? Who are you? I thought I saw a figmentation of the Virgin Mary. You want to see her in the flesh? Stick by me. Stay near me. You watch her. Follow me. That way. Hey, you white people. People who are white. Listen, white people. Why do you think they call them Jews? Why do you think the Klansmen broke up? You know why? Because they found out that much about fucking what? They came all the way from heaven above. They found out that, right? If you were so fucking much against black people and you're a racist, then why the hell are you sticking your dick in those fucking nigger slaves? Wow. Who's that way? The Klansmen found that much out. That's why they broke it up.
Being taken out of service.
That's not one of the reasons why there's not slavery anymore.
Yeah. Did you guys hear?
I'm a student too. I'm pretty smart.
Yeah, taking it out of service.
So we have to get off this one.
Okay.
That's what they found out
This
about
train
that.
is being taken